Hi, welcome along, and in today's video we're going back to 1966 and a big hit for the Lovin Spoonful called Daydream. What a day for a daydream. What a day for a daydreaming boy. And if you like what you hear today, don't forget to click like and subscribe, as it does help me grow the channel, which in turn helps me bring you more guitar-based tutorials. So if you're all ready, I'm ready. Go grab your guitar. I'll meet you back here in 3, 2, 1. Here we go. Right, Daydream, let's get straight into it. Right, so first off, I'm going to start by saying that the song is in the key of C sharp. So we're going to put a capo, simply put a capo on the first fret. There we go, you can see that. So the chords for this song are going to be as follows. We've got a C chord, and we've got what's known as a G over C chord, which is, so instead of doing the C, we're going to lift our third finger up to the top string, the 6th string, and we're going to put a little finger just underneath. I'll bring that up to the camera for you to see. Okay, so that's going to be our C, which is a G over C. Okay, then we've got a chord of A, right, you know the A, and then we've got a D minor, and then we've got a G7th. There we are, G7th. If you want to do a G, that's fine, but G7th is actually what's going on. Okay, so let's go through them again. C, A, D minor, G7. Okay, so let's start you off with them chords. Right now, picking pattern is very important on this, how we pick this. So what we're going to do for the picking, it's going to go like this. It goes... And the way we do that is we have our fingers, 1, 2, 3, and the first finger is going to be G string, second finger is going to be B string, third finger is going to be E string, and it's like that. We pluck them all at the same time. I'll show you an easier way of doing this later on. An easier way, so if you're no good at, if you're not doing well with the picking at this moment, you don't have to wait to play this song. You can do something else, but let's show you first off how it's done. So think of it like you're scratching the strings. We don't want the hand pulling out, we just want the fingers going up. Okay, so all three at the same time, like that. Okay, so we've got the bass notes now. What we're going to do for the C chord, we're going to go E string, A string. Got it? And it's going to go. Got it? So it's E and then A, one after the other. And that is the only thing that changes. The bass notes, the pick is always the same. Whatever chord you're playing, those are the 3 fingers you're going to use. Okay, so let's go C first. And then what we're going to do, we're going to change to an A, and it's going to be the 6 and the 5 again. Let's adjust this a bit, it's got a bit rattly. That's better. So we've got C, for the A, and then D minor, we're going to do the A string and then the D string, and then the G7th, we're going to do the E string. There's a little bit of a change for the bass pattern for the G7, which is the last chord in the progression. We're just going to go. Okay, so let's go through that again. So C first, A, and then we're going to go A string, D string for the D minor chord, and then A, D minor, G, sorry, G7th. One more time. C, A, D minor, G7, C, A, D minor, G7. And then we're on to the next bit, which is F, then D, you know what, D7, we'll do a D7, so F to D7, and then C, and then A. So it's that progression, so F, D7, C, A, F, D7, C, A. Let's pick that out. So So this is a bit of even sure we're really on your side. That bit. D7, C, and A. F and D7, C, and A. And the next bit, you've got G to C. Now I'm going to show you two ways here. I would prefer if you did a bar chord with this, but let me show you not a bar chord. So let's go, it goes G and C and G. So F, D7, C and A, F and a D and a C and a A, F and D7 and a C and a A, G and a C and a G, G, G. Right, now the way I would prefer to play it is what's going on with the song. It goes like this, he does a G there. So there's an E based bar chord there. And we're going to be... So we've got a G, and then we've got a C like that, which is where we're still barring all 6 strings. And we're going to hold down 4, 3, 2 and 1, but you're not going to pick the first string, the E string. And that gives us our C. And we're going to do... So it gives us a different sound. G, G, C. This is the fall on my face on somebody's new moon lawn. That bit. Let me show you how that's done. So first off, let's go through that bit again. So we got F and then a D7, C and A, F, D7 and C and A, F, D7 and C and A, G and a C and a G and a C, and then we're back to ah ba da da dee dee doo. Right, let's go through that bit. So we've done the verse and the bridge kind of thing. There's just one other thing. It's the bit that goes. Okay, so let me show you how that's done. So we've got, as you know, we've got C, then A, D minor, G, and then we've got the bit that goes. And all that is, that's, in this case, because we've got the capo one, we're going to do this on the 4th fret. If we didn't have the capo one and we was in normal G, we'd be down on the 3rd fret. But here, on the 4th fret, we're going to go 4th fret, E string, open A string, back on the 4th fret of the E string, and then land your C again. Sorry. C, D minor, G7, so one more time round for you. So here we go, Daydream from the top, 2, 3 and A, D minor, G7, C, A, D minor, and then G7. And then we got the bridge, F, D7, C, A, F, D7, C, and A. D7, C, and A. G, and a C, G, 2, 3, 4. So there we have it, Daydream by the Lovin Spoonful. How did you get on? Please let me know down in the comments section below. Always love to read your comments. If you've liked today's video, don't forget to click like and subscribe for me, as it does help me grow the channel. And if you've got any song suggestions for future videos of songs you'd like me to take to pieces and show you how to play, again, let me know down in the comments section below. Always lovely to hear from you. So with all that said and done, I'll see you back in the next video. Take great care of yourselves, guys. See you soon. Bye-bye.